See, I think we're told to chase stardom. I think that's what actors are told. Society kind of shapes the way you think. So you think that that's what you want because everybody should want that. Everybody should want the bigger house and the bigger car and the more money and the more fame and more popularity. But as you start working and you start living and experiencing life, you kind of realize what you want. What really excites me. But if I gave a film that left a mark on somebody and somebody felt for it and the work was celebrated, but it's a disaster at the box office, I would at least sleep more. I'm not a producer, I'm an actor, and for me, that is what I'm after. That's what I spent my life doing. This.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com. So 2020 is coming to an end. Now this year has been thoda आधा kam, आधा pura glass, but entertainment has been completely on top. And today we have with us someone, I think जिन्होंने Akshay Kumar of, I should say, कंटेंट क्रिएशन का साल टाइटल ले लेना चाहिए क्योंकि ऐसा कोई शो तो रहा नहीं ओटीटी पे एटलीस्ट जहां पे मुझे अक्षय ओबरॉय ना दिखे हो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद इट. इससे अक्षय लाइक व्हाट इज इट 2020 सोचा था क्या कि मैं I will mark every box possible. Describe me the best thing which this year brought for you, though I know it has been a mixed bag of emotions globally, in every sphere. But what has been the most positive takeaway from this year for you?
Well, first of all, thank you for such a lovely introduction. I think the thing about it is, as you correctly said, it's a mixed bag. So it's a very tough year to kind of sit back and say, "Yaar, इस साल तो मैंने मतलब मैं छा गया." It's very tough to say that because it kind of इतना स्वार्थी life में नहीं होना चाहिए. So it's the world is kind of collapsing in front of you. People are rebuilding their lives slowly. With that said, I'm very grateful for the digital revolution that's happened in India and the way that people consume content and opening up to more actors and more writers and more directors, which पहले उतना नहीं था जितना अब हो चुका है. So I think it's a very exciting time for our industry. I think it's healthy for our industry. So I'm really excited about how things went work-wise, not really otherwise. But it was great fun. Yeah, I got to do some really challenging roles, and I'm so grateful that people appreciated them. It's not like मैं creatively satisfied हो गया and then nobody enjoyed it. That also is part of the year's fulfillment for me.
Actually, out of the three works which legit stood out was for me, if I have to pick, would be Illegal and Flesh for sure. There was something contrast, like on one end of spectrum and one end of spectrum, and then we also had High, which was well received with audience. What was your favorite part? If I have to ask you to, okay, thoda sa choosy, okay, if you could tell me, or what was the reason you decided to pick on these three completely different dimension roles in the first place?
That's a good question. Yeah, I've never really thought about what's my favorite, but what I think. So the first part of your question, I think Flesh would be the one that I really because it was such a dangerous character and it could have gone any way. I could have fallen flat on my face. People could have called it a caricature. They could have said it's OTT पे OTT कर रहा है. कुछ भी लिख सकते थे यार. मतलब you like the media, as you know very well yourself, are so savvy with coming up with these catchphrases that it could have happened. And I think I'm just very grateful that that didn't happen. And so I slept peacefully when the reviews came out and people were actually liking it. But yeah, it's a conscious choice. I mean, listen, as every actor has to offer something. If you've got Tiger Shroff, he can flip off the walls in my room and do a flying kick. If it's Varun Dhawan, he can dance into your heart. Whatever it is, every actor needs to have something they're known for. So I looked around and I was like, yaar, I can't do what these guys are doing. So I thought maybe something I would do is just play a variety and try and be successful at everything. Try my level best to be a versatile actor that doesn't get stuck in any particular kind of character or mold. I might look a certain way, but I try and play parts that are not that. So, and that's really what gets me excited. That's what wakes me up in the morning. Money and fame don't really wake me up in the morning. I think creative satisfaction does. So anytime a role like this comes, I have to do it, no matter who's making it. So Flesh was a really standout one for me.
Akshay, apart from your own performance, if you had to sum up this year, because one thing this year has seen, I would say, unfortunately, was we were in the middle of too many controversies, but one thing which also stood out was we, after a long time, saw content creators, as I would like to call them, artists standing with each other, coming out and talking and appreciating the performance, the art, which is not a very normal sight in the industry we are in. Everyone was there to boost everyone else. So if you had to open Akshay's diary and give us, the best, maybe the shows or films recommendations, something which you saw, you wish to see, how to sum up 2020 on the basis of content, what would be like?
I'm so glad that that's how you phrase it. Because I genuinely feel that way. I feel like finally, see, I've always felt art is for sharing. Art is not something. So this is art made for commerce. ये धंधा specifically business के लिए create किया गया है. Most art is. But art is also for sharing. It's for loving and sharing and getting better at it and inventing, and and that sharing builds creativity, I feel. So you're right. This is the first year I've kind of seen actors celebrating each other's work. I've seen writers celebrating. I've seen directors do some really interesting things. Whether it was Hansan Mehta who decided to come into the series platform and make, a scam 1992. It's just been a very exciting year. Finally, I feel like we're doing justice by the audience, if you know what I mean. And it was a year where, sure, I felt good about my work, but there was so many good performances that eventually I felt like I should quit. It was, whether it was Jaideep Alawat in Patal Lok or whatever, there was so many performances this year that I was just like, my God, yaar, who are these people? Like, मुझे लगता है मैं अच्छा actor हूँ, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा actor है. I really liked Raat Akeli Hai. I really liked, I really liked Mirzapur. I'd seen the first part, but the second part, I feel like I think that's the exciting part of doing a second season, because you've played the character once, so you've lived its shoes, the growth. So then these people all, whether it was Rasika or whether it was Ali or whether it was Devendu, everybody kind of took their characters to another level because they already knew the relationships with each other and how to play it. And that was kind of, it's been a really great year. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Anvita Dutt Guptan's directorial debut, Bulbul, she's been a great friend. It's amazing to see. I mean, I always knew she's been a great writer. Everybody knows her work as a writer. But I always knew she was going to be a director. And then to see, like, in an incredible, and then Netflix backing something like that, it's been a really exciting year. And I hope that this trickles on, this, exactly what you said. I hope that comes true. I hope that, or at least it's come true. I hope it continues year on year, because the audience deserves it. Yeah, Bollywood has a very, or let's say Hindi cinema has a very tight fan following. And if we keep cheating our audience and not give them good, high quality content, the world is doing it. Finally, we're in a place where we're doing justice to everyone. Yeah, sorry. And one more thing I'd like to add to this is that we have 1 billion plus people in this country. Not everybody watches the same thing. So all these years, we were delivering one movie for everyone. But ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है यार. Somebody likes horror, somebody likes action, somebody likes thriller, somebody likes murder mystery, whatever, a comedy. So you have to, these platforms are now giving people that chance. So you have an option to click and watch what you like. High quality stuff too.
Actually, if there was one role, if I have to ask you solely on the cheat merit, something you would have swapped, like मैं कर लेता, मुझे बस दे देते.
Oh, that's a dangerous question, yaar. Oh man, but I feel so terrible talking about it, because अगर कोई actor मेरे बारे में बोलता ना, मुझे कितना बुरा लगता. But I don't mean it in any other way, except I was very, Divyendu's character in Mirzapur too. I think he's done a great job of it. I would have had a different approach altogether, just because we're different people. I'm not saying better or worse. It would just be different. I love the character. I love that. He's like he's entitled as anything. And in Gurgaon, I got to play a part like that, but he didn't talk. Gurgaon's character Nikki Singh was quite silent. This is like a loudmouth version of, it's like Nikki Singh on steroids. So I would have loved to, and I'm very attracted to parts like this. Yeah, I naturally like to play these really dark, mean people, because I'm not that, and it's so exciting to play what you're not. So not that I would have done it any better, Devendu. You did a crazy job, and I love your work, but I would have maybe liked to play that part.
Something actually which you really want to see, but because considering you have hectic schedules and you guys have been shooting and going through other things, you missed. Is this something which is on your wish list? Like before this year ends, I have to watch it.
Yeah, I have a couple of things. I haven't actually watched Scam. I've heard crazy reviews about it. I've heard Prateek's performance was mind-boggling. Hansal Mehta does great work anyway. Everybody knows, there's no need to talk about that. He's a phenomenal director. And I haven't seen Cargo. These are two films that I really like Vikrant's work. I think that the trailer of that film was really special. It finally looked like, yaar, India mein kya ban raha hai aajkal? It gave me that feel. These are two things I definitely in the next couple of weeks will probably end up watching because they've been on my watch list. I just haven't gotten to it. As I've been shooting, I've been in and out, so stuff like that.
And lastly, Akshay, 10 years in decade in another week's time, like
Yeah.
in this industry, I should be framing it.
Yeah.
How does it feel? Do you think that sooner or later, or whatever it may be, this is the time to maybe, do what maybe an actor in you desires the most, rather than to run after the tags of being a star? Like this is it. This is the kind of work you would have always sunk your teeth into and give it a proper bite.
Man, it's like you're like sitting in my head listening to me. I mean, that's exactly how I feel. I think all these years, see, I think we're told to chase stardom. I think that's what actors are told. Society kind of shapes the way you think. So you think that that's what you want because everybody should want that. Everybody should want the bigger house and the bigger car and the more money and the more fame and more popularity. But as you start working and you start living and experiencing life, you kind of realize what you want. What really excites me. Now I finally know. It took me all these years to kind of figure it out. But what I really love is playing. Like, if I gave 100 crore movie and people hated it and bashed my performance, I couldn't sleep for a month. But if I gave a film that left a mark on somebody and somebody felt for it and the work was celebrated, but it's a disaster at the box office, I would at least sleep more. I'm not a producer, I'm an actor, and for me, that is what I'm after. That's what I spent my life doing this, and I will hopefully with the universe's blessings, I'll continue to just do this as a profession and feed my family through it because there's no greater high that I get than playing, different parts and acting. So acting is what I love. I don't love stardom. I don't even know what that is. So I don't want to chase something I'm not aware of. I want to chase what I know, and I know acting, and I want to get better at it and improve. And that's really this year cemented that for me. So I hope I just keep getting better. That's all I hope for.
That's been really lovely, Akshay. I'll keep it short and sweet and with Edu, but with the promise that let's open 2021 with some big bag of performances. Next time I catch hold of you, you are there to tell me what are the big guns you're taking out. And I hope the Akshay Kumar of OTT is now the Akshay Oberoi. We are going to stick to it. I really mean it from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your
Thank you so much for the excellent questions, and thank you so much for your time as well. And take care. And I hope you have a great Christmas and a very happy New Year.
Thank you so much.
Talk
See
to
you
you
on
very
the
soon.
other side. Thank you.
See you. Thank you. Take care.